Hi, my name is Irmina, and today I will compare two prop firms, ThinkCapital and swayfunded. So, how do a lot of traders get demotivated? It's by blowing up accounts and not passing challenges. But what does influence that? So, first of all, you should know the prop firm very well before you start spending money on challenges. So, of course, there are rules, of course, there is an image, of course, there is someone that actually advised you to do that. Maybe a mentor, maybe a friend, or maybe you simply came across an advertisement. So, what is the best thing to do is, of course, check for a review and make your own opinion about it. All right, so let's dive in. So, one of the prop firms allows you to trade the way you want during the news, crypto assets, basically anything. And the other one has a very nice offer of margin. So let's check it out. Which brand, which prop firm is winning for structure, which one is winning for freedom before we buy any of these challenges. So I'll start with ThinkCapital, and ThinkCapital is a structured, transparent, and growth-focused prop firm. I would say actually for traders who are more business minded, traders who take trading as a business. And yeah, if you ask me, you should be ready for that. If you know what you're doing and you're just not messing around to play with accounts, this is the way for you. So what does it offer? It offers multiple challenge models as Lightning first phase, dual step second phase, and the third phase is Nexus. Caters to both beginners and advanced dancers, traders. Could be dancers too, traders. So account size starts with 5k up to 200k, with scaling potential up to 1 million. I was shocked. The profit split is 90%. And the trading tools you can use is MT5, but only to non-USD clients. ThinkTrader and full trading view integration execute trades from charts. So you can trade Forex, indices, crypto, commodities, and the payouts are weekly, structured risk management, and scaling rules. So I would say the ThinkCapital is more for traders who are quite serious about it and who are willing to put the emotions aside. Or either it's gonna teach you to put the emotions aside, which is super important because you know that 80% of trading is psychology and 20% is strategy. So yeah, it's up to you. If you are ready to stop being emotional and trade seriously, think through every trade. So as I said, it scales up to 1 million. That's nice. But if you are a beginner trader, you most likely cannot really invest in a 5k. Some maybe yes, some not, but often traders, the beginner traders are broke. That's the point, to make money, to get rich. And sometimes traders just don't have the money to invest in a 5k account. So in that scenario, in that case, we should go with another prop firm, and that would be swayfunded. So talking about swayfunded, this is more freedom-based prop firm. Fast-moving, flexible, basically has no limits. The challenge options are rapid, regular, and instant funding models. Funding is up to 200k and also split 90%. The fun thing is you can trade during the news, weekend trading, crypto positions, and more depending on the plan. Over 300 instruments you can use, including the Forex, crypto, indices, and stocks. Fast payouts sometimes, even within 24 hours. Well, basically, I experienced it was under 24 hours. It's really fast. So that's nice. And as I said, the low cost thing, it's very beginner friendly too. The catch is you have the risk of losing the account faster. Why? Because when you are not so responsible and you're not looking at the rules, you can also slip fast. When there is someone or like a firm constantly keeping you accountable for something, you will also be more disciplined. But as I said again, it depends from a trader. For me, it was really fun to do a more freedom-based challenge like swayfunded, and actually just not to feel too restricted in trading. But when you can trade calmly, knowing what you're doing, and also be disciplined and consistent, look at it more as a business, then I would go for ThinkCapital more. Alright, so let's compare the structure and freedom between those two prop firms. So the structure, ThinkCapital has a strong 1 to 3rd phase models, and swayfunded has a moderate, more free rules, right? The freedom is moderate in ThinkCapital, although in swayfunded you can trade how you want during the news or in the weekends and the crypto itself too. So scaling, as I said, you can even get funded on ThinkCapital up to 1 million. Swayfunded only to 200k. ThinkCapital you can trade with MT5, ThinkTrader, TradingView. Swayfunded provides access to 2 trading platforms, Liquid Charts and Liquid Charts Pro. Both platforms are provided by our partner Liquid Brokers. One of their USPs, they have 4 stars on Trustpilot. If you are a scalper and if you scalp gold, which is a very common thing these days, then you will like that. The ThinkCapital is best for the disciplined, more consistent traders, and the swayfunded is better for flexible, risk-tolerant traders. So alright guys, I don't know if this video helped you so far, but if it didn't, and even if it did, I would recommend definitely to still check out your trading style. Check out what would be actually best challenge for you, which prop firm would be best for you. You can actually do that on ForexPropRank.com. There you can upload your trading, and then you will know and you will be surprised to see the results. But guys, prop firms shouldn't test you blindly. They should be reading your score. So I hope this video made it more clear and you can make a decision for yourself. But I would definitely anyway go to ForexPropRank to just see for yourself what is the best challenge for you, what suits you best. It's the same like going to a store. If you're going to buy some clothes on or shoes, you're not gonna just take blindly anything, right? You just want to see if it fits you. So guys, take care, trade well, and I see you in the next video someday.